Engaging in regular physical activity decreases your risk for chronic disease, including heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Physical activity also improves mood and self-esteem, increases muscle strength, and aids in weight management. Physical activity can be performed with little or no equipment during all times of the day. If longer physical activity sessions don't fit into your schedule, break activity into 10-minute sessions over a course of a day or throughout the week. You can also get creative and incorporate physical activity into your regular routine. With any workout, it is important to incorporate a warm-up, cool-down, and stretching component to your exercise regimen. These videos are designed to get you active while at work. No equipment is needed. However, some exercises will offer potential alternatives for incorporating increased resistance into the exercise. Utilize this video series each day of the week to keep you moving during the work day. Today, we will focus on targeting your arms, wrists, and shoulders. We will start with a few warm-up exercises. Our first exercise is shoulder rolls. Start by sitting on the edge of your chair with your abs engaged and knees bent at 90 degrees. Align your shoulders above your hips. Bring your shoulders up towards your ears, back behind you, retracting your shoulders down, and then up again in a fluid circular motion. Be sure to take deep breaths, exhaling and inhaling evenly throughout the workout. Repeat 8 to 12 times or as comfortable. Our next exercise is the back chest opener. Raise your arms up to shoulder level, bend your elbows 90 degrees. With your fingers pointed toward the ceiling, slowly push your chest forward and drive your shoulder blades back together. Hold this position for 15 seconds or as comfortable. We will now do a few arm stretches. The first stretch is the deltoid stretch. Sit on the edge of your chair with your knees bent at 90 degrees, your shoulders aligned above your hips and core engaged. Bring your straightened right arm across your body at shoulder level. Gently press your right arm closer to your body using your left arm. Avoid letting your shoulders lift up toward your ears. Hold and then repeat the same stretch on the opposite arm. Our next stretch is the elbow extensor stretch. Sit upright on the edge of your chair with knees bent 90 degrees. Place your left arm behind your head with your elbow bent and pointing up towards the ceiling. Take your right hand and grab your left elbow behind your head. Pull the elbow towards the floor. Release the grip and repeat on the opposite elbow. Our next stretch is another elbow stretch. Stand in front of a clear area on your desk. Place both forearms flat on the desk, shoulder width apart, with your palms facing up. Slowly lean forward, attempting to bring your chest down onto the table while keeping your forearms and elbows flat and your palms turned upwards. Hold this stretch for 15 seconds or as comfortable. We will now perform 2 different stretches for your wrist. This first stretch you can perform standing or seated in your chair. Start with your body facing your desk. Place your fingertips on the edge of your desk and use your upper body weight to slowly drive your palms down towards the ground. You should feel a stretch on the back of your wrist. Hold this position for 15 seconds or as comfortable. Our next stretch is the finger wrist stretch. This can be performed seated or standing next to your desk. Bend your elbows and raise them shoulder height. Point your fingers toward the ground and bring the back of your hands together in front of you. Press the back of your hands together and slowly lower your elbows while keeping your hands at the same height. You should feel a deep stretch in your wrist. Hold this exercise for 15 seconds or as tolerated. We will now perform a number of different arm strength training exercises. Our first exercise is an incline push-up. Stand by your desk or use a sturdy wall in your office. Place your hands shoulder level on a wall or set them on the edge of your desk. While holding onto the wall or onto your desk, step your feet backwards about 3 or 4 feet. Keep your body tight and straight from your feet to shoulders. Keep your arms straight and supporting your weight. Keeping your elbows in, tight to your body, bend your arms slowly and lower your chest and head towards the desk while keeping your core tight. Be sure to keep your gaze up forward about 1 foot in front of you. Repeat 8 to 12 repetitions or as you feel comfortable. Our next exercise is bicep curls. This again can be performed standing or seated in your chair. Find 2 lightweight items in your office. Staplers or water bottles are great options. This exercise can also be performed without holding anything in your hands. Align your heels with your hips and shoulders and engage your core. Place your arms down at your sides, palm facing forward. Slowly bend your elbows and curl your hands up to about shoulder level. Lower your hands back down to starting position and repeat. Perform about 8 to 12 repetitions or as comfortable. Our next exercise is arm pulses. Sit on the edge of your chair with your knees bent 90 degrees. Your shoulders aligned above your hips and core engaged. Raise both arms straight out to your sides, shoulder level, palms facing down towards the ground. Slowly push your hands down to the ground about 3 or 4 inches and pulse them back up to shoulder level. Continue this in a quick motion, pulsing hands down toward the ground and back up. In a similar motion, rotate your palms facing up towards the ceiling and push your hands up to the ceiling 3 to 4 inches and pulse back down to shoulder level. Continue this quick motion, pulsing hands up towards ceiling. For higher intensity, you can increase the speed of your pulsing. Our last exercise is Triceps Dips. This can be performed on a desk or if you have a sturdy chair in your office. Stand with your hands at your side, the back of your body facing the desk. Place your hands on the edge of your desk so only the palms are touching and your fingers are pointing forward. Slowly walk feet away from the desk while lowering your weight so your arms begin to support your weight. The further you walk your feet away from your desk, the more difficult this exercise becomes. Slowly lower yourself down the edge of the desk. Use your arms to control the speed while keeping your elbows in line with the desk. Bend your knees and lower yourself until you feel a stretch in your shoulders and triceps. Then push down with your arms against your desk to raise yourself back up into the starting position. Use your arms as much as you can while keeping your elbows back. If it's too difficult to raise yourself with only your arms, use your legs as much as needed. Remember to utilize these videos each day of the week to stay active at your desk. Sit less and move more. For more information on physical activity, improving your health, or worksite wellness tips, visit iGrow.org/healthyfamilies or healthysd.gov.